Andy, thanks for your time. You said in the debate earlier at the mortgage event, there was a broker question about, why aren't lenders' processes as fast as they should be? And you accepted that the resources are lacking there, but you do want them to get better, obviously. But do you think that there needs to be far more of a collaborative approach amongst brokers and lenders to try and make the process as quick as possible for the borrower themselves?
Yes, certainly. I mean, that's hopefully the inference that we gave during the question time. There's a two-part process. Brokers have a duty to ensure that the information they supply is accurate. And unfortunately, sometimes when you look at the standard application forms coming through, they're not always completed, or the information they contain is not always the accurate information. Of course, when you come to processes, this of course then causes difficulties and can then add to the delays in terms of going back to the broker, requesting clarification, and therefore then just adds to the extra days. In addition, I think we need to be mindful of the fact that there are certain things that when you submit an application, brokers should always be looking to submit an application with the following. So one is income proofs, P60, pay slips. If they're self-employed, then invariably the lenders will go for an accountant certificate or look for an SA 302. In terms of identification, a lot of identification now is actually proved electronically, but there's no harm in actually providing certified ID when you provide or when you submit the application. And the third one basically is proof of payment history. So they've actually had a mortgage and they've got a mortgage statement, then by all means submit that. So you've got proof of income, proof of ID, proof of track record, and an accurate application. Then basically we can all work together. Those cases should go through quite speedily. And when those cases are produced, Nationwide literally are knocking out, 40-50% of these cases within 5 days.
Well, Andy, thanks very much for your time today.
Pleasure.